You've heard about things like the Human Genome Project, decoding the genome of humans. I'd look at DNA in especially marine invertebrates, so things like snails, worms, shrimp, sea stars. And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to understand how they've evolved on several different time scales. So some of my work involves looking at very deep time, so the evolution across 500–600 million years. Other works, like some of my Antarctic work, is very recent in time. We're trying to understand how animals have evolved in the last several thousands to a few million years. I enjoy what I do. It's fun. The curiosity drives me. The other thing are collaborations, being able to interact with other good scientists, whether they be established professors at other institutions or graduate students or even undergrads. I mean, undergrads often will come and say something in a way that you haven't thought about before, and it sort of challenges you, well, why have I been thinking about it this way and not the other way? I couldn't imagine being in a desk job because I get to go out, I get to go to Antarctica, I get to go in subs to the bottom of the ocean. I want to do this for another 15, 20, 25 years. 25 might be stretching it, but if I can do it for another 10 or 15 years, that would be great. So I've been associated with the Biological Bulletin since I was a graduate student. And what's humbling about it is trying to sort of stay abreast enough of all that to know what's going on. And of course, I have a team there of editors I need to rely on. The other thing that's humbling about it is that the journal is very old. It's one of the oldest journals in the US, and it has a long history. And if you go back and look through the editors, there are several editors who were National Academy members or famous scientists you read about in textbooks. Very happy, and I enjoy doing the editorial service for that journal.